Okay, the next step is prepping the housing for the hammer pipe, and there's a O-ring in here, and this is a O-ring pick tool. Okay, it's you can get them at Harbor Freight. They come in a package. You have like 2 or 3 of them in a package. This one here, I like it. You can get underneath the O-ring and work it out of there. Just like that. See that? Okay. Now, take the small screwdriver and a rag. Enough to get in that groove and get the dirt out of there. A lot of dirt. I'm going to take it outside and hit it with the brake cleaner. That stuff, it's pretty dirty in here. That's the old O-ring. Get that out of there. Okay, and get the new O-ring. Put some oil on it. And there we go. Nice new O-ring. That'll keep the the oil that's in the housing from coming out the front. So now, let's throw some oil in this. Now, put the hammer pipe in there. And there we go. Okay, now we got to put the bearing sleeve, basically, bearing, I don't know. A little on the inside. Okay. Put some oil down in here. On the shaft. All right. Okay. Now the eccentric wheel, I think that's what you call it. You got to be careful, these bearings will fall out. There's 2 sets of bearings in here. There's one, and there's another one inside there. Okay? So oil on the shaft here. And oil on the bearings. Okay. And then there's a washer down inside here. That's already on there. Okay, that's another friction washer. It goes against this here as it churns. So get that all oiled up good. Put that on there. Okay, so that's ready to go. Next is the clutch, this 2-piece clutch. Okay, and the direction of this lip, look at my cheat sheet here. There's also another friction washer, and the friction washer goes between this. I didn't take this gear out because it's pressed in, and there was no reason to take it out. That friction washer goes there. And then I'll get the gear the clutch all lubed up. Now, as near as I could tell, the clutch goes this direction. So the lip of this goes towards the other one. Okay, like that. And then your crown gear, right? So I keep that together there. Crown gear goes like this, and it goes against these teeth right in the middle there. Okay, so let's clean this off here. A little dirty. Okay, now I'll put the some new oil on it. Put some on the inside for the hammer pipe to go through. Okay, then that goes like that. Okay, okay, now we push this in just like that. Now we put the hammer piston in. So we get that, make sure that's lubed up good. Uh-oh. I'll have to add some to it. My little bottle's running empty there. So get that started on the on that piece there. There we go. There we go. Okay, so that's in there. Now, the reason why, see that gap there? Okay. See this here? That lip goes onto this, okay? And the way this thing operates, see how that moves? Moves back this way. And that's middle position. And that's all the way at the end. So you see the holes here. Okay, so if you slide this down, see how that lines up for the gear? And then when you push this back all the way against that, and you turn this all the way so it's in the back position, then you line up the holes here again, and you'll see how this groove matches this, okay? So you're pushing this piece on and off the gear assembly, okay? That's how that works. So that's how you know you have this part on right. The picture's not very good. Alright, so that's together. So the next step now is to put the front to put all these pieces here on the front assembly. Okay, so that'll be next.